Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue of GIFs not showing up on Instagram. If you are unable to see GIFs in your posts or stories, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. The first thing to try is first closing the app. Swipe up or access the recent apps section, then swipe Instagram away to close it. After that, reopen the app and check if the GIFs appear. If restarting the app didn't help, Android users can clear the Instagram cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, find Instagram, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall Instagram from the App Store. The next step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection could prevent GIFs from loading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or try moving to a strong signal area to ensure you have a stable connection. And keep in mind, outdated versions of the app may cause certain features like GIFs to not work. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Finally, if the GIFs still aren't showing up, there might be a bug with your account or Instagram's end. You can report this problem to Instagram by going to your profile, Settings, scroll down and click Help Center, then select Report a Problem and describe the issue, then submit your report. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem of GIFs not showing on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!